Steph,
Kuya.
ano sasabi mo?
Kuya, masaya po ako kasi yung pera po namin pinaghihirapan ay yung makatanggap lang po kami ng ng thank you. Nakakataba po ng puso. Ito, Kuya.
Erika?
So masaya po ako na yun nga po, naipon lahat ng kanyang kapatid dahil yun nga sabi niya, hindi nga sila nagsama-sama. At yun nga po, dahil nga rin po sa hirap ang ginawa ng Timbalit ay natulungan si Lynn.
Ano gusto mo sa kanila, Ray?
Ano po, worth the pain. Yung pain na naranasan namin during the past, it was all worth it kasi nga nakita namin na yun nga, yung reunion ng family ni Lynn, and at the same time, she was able to be with her family during the yung namatay nga yung mother niya, and yung yung pagkasabi lang ng salamat kasi nakauwi sila at nag-reunion ulit sila, nagkita-kita sila. Sobrang malaking bagay na yun para sa akin kasi mahalaga talaga sa akin yung pagkakaisa, pagsama-sama ng isang pamilya. So, worth the pain po.
Erika, ano sasabi mo?
Po kaya, kung sobrang masaya po kaya, like na-pray, it was definitely worth the pain po kaya, and the sacrifice. Like it was our number one objective was to win for Lynn, and I feel like we've gone beyond that point, okay, and I feel very humble to be around people like our housemates right now, okay, but we can work beyond 200%, okay, and to help Lynn, okay, and I really hope she's doing okay now, and I feel like it was definitely worth the pain, okay, picking up this.